pipe transform, and you can see there is a transform function. That transform function is taking the value and using the value. So here it is converting into and returning the data into that particular format, and you can observe that. So this is so lowercase, title case, these are the pipes configured here. So these are the pipes configured here. And important is when they are returning the data, they are using some other pipes here. So means actually they are using a lengthy hierarchy of implementation. Go to definition, you can see this is pipe transform, right? It is collecting your data, converting it and changing into uppercase. And how it is used, the name is uppercase, configured name is uppercase. Its class name is different, but how it is defined is different. So this is entire collection of various options. And you can see that here you will observe the pipes are depending on these events, do check like events and all. Why? Because we need to identify whether the changes are happening or not, simple changes. I told you impure and pure pipes. So based on this cycle also pipes are affected. That's the reason those will be controlling here very much. That I will show you when we are creating our custom pipe, right? When we are designing our own pipe. But when I apply this and save, so that means it is taking this value, converting to uppercase and returning it. So that's what it is happening. Samsung TV, it is into uppercase. So similarly, I'm defining here. So title case. So title case, that means it converts every word first letter into uppercase. Every word first letter into uppercase. And lowercase, it will convert into lowercase. So these are the general things, no need to explain much about them. Changing the capitalization. So how you want to change the capitalization. So uppercase, lowercase, and title case, these three are available. That is general how to change the capitalization for them. Another important we are having is decimal pipe. Decimal pipe. Actually, it is used to display numeric value with thousands separator, and fractions. That is the purpose of decimal pipe. And very important is it is applied by using number name. It is applied by using number name. So that means it's a reference name. You can simply say that its reference name is number. So decimal pipe reference name is number. That means there is no decimal keyword. So pipe name is decimal pipe, but it is used by using number. We have to use the keyword number. And it is used for displaying numerical values with 1000 separator and fractions. So that means how we configure that, how we define and use that. Let's see one simple example here. So generally, I want this number to display, price number to display with the two fractions. 40 also should come because it is having that, right? So how you want to display those value? It is missing actually. Then how do we apply? The basic syntax you should know is, so the decimal pipe is applied in this way. So we have to apply the pipe. So your data, you have to apply number, and pipes will have attributes. Attributes are separated with colon. So that means you can simply say that parameters, pipe parameters. Pipe parameters are defined by using colon. And what are the parameters, attributes we are having? So min integer digits, and dot min fraction digits, and hyphen max fraction digits, This is the basic syntax how you have to write. That is how we need to configure and write. That is how we need to configure and define. So we have number, minimum integer digits, and minimum fraction digits, and max fraction digits, how you configure. That means dot hyphen, this is important. I will tell you here. Actually, minimum integer digits. So minimum integer digits means, so for a number, so this is the integer digits. How many digits integer you want? Minimum. You have to define minimum integer digits. Then minimum fraction digits. Minimum fraction digits, here it is 1, currently 1. I want minimum 2. Okay. Minimum 2 fraction digits. Maximum it can be some 2. Then we have to use like this. So that means we need to define like this. So we need to apply like this. So how do we define? So we need to define price and pipe symbol, and we need to configure number and colon. And here in the quotes, we need to apply the format. That is integers, how many? 5 integer values. Dot minimum fractions, how many? 2. Hyphen maximum fractions, how many? 2. That's how we can define, and close. That's how we have to define. So minimum fractions, how many? Maximum fractions, how many? How many you can allow? Maximum. Minimum, how many? That's how we have to configure. So that means when we are applying the currency here, so that means pipe, and we have number. The pipe is number pipe. The pipe name is number. But important is this number pipe. When we go to definition and see here, So this number pipe is actually coming from decimal pipe actually. So it is class is decimal pipe, but the reference name is number. In early versions of general Angular, so in early versions of Angular, we directly have a number pipe. Directly we can apply a number pipe. But here the pipe name is decimal pipe, so which is number type actually. Already we know number means it can be a decimal or double or float. So that's the reason it is referred as a number. Okay, I will save this. So here you can see now it shows like this. Number will apply 1000 separator. You see 45 comma like this. If I just apply the number, then if I just apply the number without any options, that means price and number, so without any options, and actually public, so we have price is equal to, the price value is some 45,000. Yeah. So then I return like this. So 4540. And when we directly